students, welcome to our chemistry classmate. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about some important objective models from solubility and solubility product. So, apart from that, from my textbook, look at the question number 165. Solubility product of sparingly soluble salt of the type AB at room temperature is 1.21 to 10 power minus 6 moles molarity square. M nothing but molarity there. Its molar solubility is. So, if you observe that the question is AB type, they only said that the relation between solubility and solubility product of AB type, what is the formula you know? KSP equal to S equal to root of KSP. Is it okay? S equal to root of KSP. Now root of directly KSP value given. What is that? 1.21 into 10 power minus 6 m square. Is it okay? Now if you simplify, what you get here? 1.1 into 10 power minus 3 m. So direct substitution, direct formula. So what is the answer here? 1.1 into 10 power minus 3. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. Solubility product of A2B is 4 into 10 power minus 9 mole per liter whole cube. Its solubility is. Again, this is also what type of question you are supposed to take. So here A2B type of salt. A2B nothing but what it is split? A plus 2A plus B minus 2. Then KSP equal to what will get here? A plus whole square into P power minus 2. Then what will get here? 2S whole square into S. That is why 4S cube. This is the relation between solubility and solubility product of A to B type of salts. Then S equal to what will get here? KSP by 4 power 1 by 3. Now KSP value given. What is the KSP value? 4 into 10 power minus 9. Is it okay? So 4 into 10 power minus 9 by 4 power 1 by 3. Then what happened? 4 cancel. 10 power minus 9 power 1 by nothing but 10 power minus 3. So this is our answer. Is it okay? Now what is the option here? A 1 10 power minus 3m. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. If the solubility product of AgBrO3 and Ag2SO4 are 5.5 into 10 power minus 5 and 2 into 10 power minus 5 respectively, the relationship between the solubilities of these can be correctly represented as. So solubility product given two different types of salts, their relationship of the solubility they asked. That means indirectly solubility product relation. If you observe that AgBrO3, so AgBrO3, which type it is? AgBrO3 is AB type. Is it okay? Second one is Ag2SO4. Which type it is? A to B type. Just now we did. So in this case, what is the relation between S and KSP? S equal to root of KSP. This is equal to 5 into, what is the value given? 5.5 into 10 power minus 5 root. So if you simplify, you'll get 7 into 10 power minus 3. Now second one is, see the second value how much given? 2 into 10 power minus 5. What is the relation between S and KSP? So S equal to KSP by 4 power 1 by 3. Okay, KSP value how much given? 2 into 10 power minus 5 by 4 whole power 1 by 3. So if you simplify, you'll get here 1.5 into 10 power minus 2. Now which value is more here? Which value is more? So Ag2SO4 value is more. That is why what is our option here? Yes, AgBrO3 less than yes, Ag2SO4. Is it clear? Very simple model. Next, look at the 168. In which of the following solvents will AgBr have the highest solubility? So how to decide the highest solubility? Very simple logic. AgBr is the given question. NaBr, NH4OH, pure water, HBr. If you observe that Br contains in the two options. So in which case common ion is there, in that case solubility is somewhat decreased. But here on small logic is solubility increases if it is capable to form the complex compound. That means observe here AgBr converting into Ag plus Br minus. So this Ag plus, if it is treated with NH4OH, NH4OH 2 moles, then it forms complex ion AgNH3 4 times plus 2H2O. Is it okay? So in which case it is forming the complex compound, in that case solubility is more. That is why our ultimate option is 10 power minus 3m NH4OH. Remaining cases, this is the pure water, remaining cases they contain the common ion. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. If the solubility of CaOH taken twice is root 3, that means S value given. What will be the solubility product? This is also direct procedure. So here what we can write, Ksp equal to Ca plus 2 concentration into OH minus concentration square. So this is 4S cube. That means 4 into root 3 whole cube, because solubility given root 3. If you simplify, you get here 12 root 3. Is it okay? So 12 root 3. This is the option. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. If the concentration of CrO4 minus ions in the saturated solution of silver chromate is 2 into 10 power minus 4, solubility product of silver chromate will be. Is it okay? So silver chromate, what are the ions you get if it is splitted? Ag2CrO4 gives 2Ag plus CrO4 minus 2. So CrO4 minus 2 equal to 2 into 10 power minus 4, they only given. Okay, concentration of CrO4 minus, this is minus 2 actually. So this value given 2 into 10 power minus 4. Is it okay? Now what is the concentration of Ag plus compared to this 2 times? That is why 2 into 10 power minus 4. That is why 4 into 10 power minus 4. Is it okay? Now Ksp equal to Ag plus whole square into CrO4 minus 2. That is why 4 into 10 power minus 4 whole square into 2 into 10 power minus 4. So if you simplify, you will get 32 into 10 power minus 12. Is it clear? A very simple process. Then what is our option? 32 into 10 power minus 12. So D. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. On addition of solution containing CrO4 minus 2 ions to the solution of Ba plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ca plus 2 ions, the precipitate obtained first will be of. So CrO4 minus 2, they are added to Ba plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ca plus 2 solutions. Just imagine in a container these solutions are there separately, they are added. So in which case, here one small logic is, in which case you will get the minimum Ksp, in that case precipitate first. So Ksp is minimum, then Ppt is more. So as per that, this is the order. You remember that Ba plus 2, Sr plus 2 and Ca plus 2. So which will get precipitate first here? BaCrO4. So barium chromate. Is it okay? So this will be gets precipitate first. Right. Look at the next question. How many grams of CaC2O4 will dissolve in distilled water to make 1 liter of the saturated solution? Some values given. Solubility product of CaC2O4 is 2.5 into 10 power minus 9 mole square per liter square, and its molecular weight is 128. See there. How many grams of CaC2O4 dissolve in the water to make 1 liter saturated solution? First of all, what is the splitting of this CaC2O4, calcium oxalate, converting into Ca plus 2 plus C2O4 minus 2. That means AB type. Then S equal to Ksp. So 2.5 into 10 power minus 9, because already solubility product value given. So if you simplify, what you get here? 5 into 10 power minus 5 mole per liter, because solubility nothing but concentration mole per liter. But they're asking how many grams. Gram nothing but, instead of this mole, if you want to replace the gram, then what we should do? 5 into 10 power minus 5 into its molecular weight. Already molecular weight also given 128. So 128 multiply. This is gram per liter. Then if you simplify, you'll get 6.4 into 10 power minus 3 gram per liter. So what is the option here? So 6.4 into 10 power minus 3 is equivalent to 0.0064 grams. This is the option. Is it okay? Right. Look at the next question. So the solubility product of salt AB is 1 into 10 power minus 8. In a solution in which concentration of A is 10 power minus 3 m, the AB will precipitate when the concentration of B becomes. So see there, here also one of the small logic is present. AB type of salt. First of all, KSP equal to A plus into B minus. Here B minus we don't know. That is why B minus equal to what we can write, KSP by A plus concentration. KSP value already given. How much it is? 1 into 10 power minus 8 by A plus value also already given. What is that? 10 power minus 3. That means 1 into 10 power minus 3. If you simplify, what you get here? 10 power minus 5. See the concentration of B. That means B minus equal to 10 power minus 5 you got. So here a small logic is AB will precipitate when concentration of B becomes. So B value, as per this data, B value we got 10 power minus 5. Whenever more than this value, then only it gets precipitate easily. That is why among all options, which is more than 10 power minus 5, 10 power minus 4. That is why ultimate option is this one. Is it clear? Right. Look at the next question. KSP of calcium phosphate will be. This is the direct question. So what is the answer here? So if you split into ions, you'll get Ca plus 2, 3 times, PO4 minus 3, 2 times. That means option D. Is it okay? So remaining two questions, 75, 76, both are same model. You just go through that. And 177, see there, a small logic question based on the common ion effect. The solubility of AgCl will be minimum in. So solubility of AgCl minimum. So in case 0.01 m NaCl, so AgCl contains Cl minus, NaCl contains Cl minus. Similarly, CaCl2 contains Cl minus. And AgNO3 contains Ag plus. So common ion. You know common ion, the suppression of the dissociation of weak electrolyte by the addition of the strong electrolyte having the same ion, common ion, is called as common ion effect. In this case 0.01 m only, but in this case 2 moles of Cl, that is why 2 into 0.01 m. Is it okay? That means in which case it is minimum common, solubility can show. Definitely in which case more number of common ions are there, that case it shows minimum. That means dissociation of AgCl, Ag plus plus Cl minus, suppressed by CaCl2 because it contains 0.01 m. Already 2 moles are there into 2. That means more number of moles, and this dissociation suppress the AgCl dissociation. That is why minimum in the case of B. Is it okay? So these are the few model questions. I hope you are following comfortably. So we will meet again with few more examples in the next video. So like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.